and then Bitcoin. Where am I? So ultimately, I'm still looking for it to come down in the rest of this C of the final Y of 4. But if I come straight down to that hourly chart, yeah, we were looking for this B wave to hold. So for the 2, we've got an A up, B back, which is held, and then we should get a C up into this target region, 68.99, 7093, and then looking for the larger part of that C wave down to commence from there in Bitcoin. Okay, that's what I've got this morning. As I said, you know, get a good novel, sit and read it, keep half an eye on the market until we get past those FOMC minutes is probably the order of the day. On which note, about 90 minutes or so in, I need to leave for the rest of the afternoon. So I'll ask Brian if he's able to cover the room, and then I'll cover what's the action after FOMC.